What is social behavior? Social behavior means how people talk, play, and work with each other. It includes how we act at home, school, or in public. Example: saying please and thank you when asking for something shows good social behavior. Why is social behavior important? Builds friendships. Good behavior helps make and keep friends. Why is social behavior important? Creates harmony. It makes everyone happy and comfortable in a group. Why is social behavior important? Solves problems. It helps us work together to fix things, like sharing toys. Basic social behaviors to teach. Kindness. Being nice and caring for others. Kindness. Example: sharing your snack with a friend who forgot theirs. Basic social behaviors to teach. Respect. Listening to others and valuing their opinions. Respect. Example: listening to others and valuing their opinions. Basic social behaviors to teach. Cooperation. Working together to complete a task. Cooperation. Example: working together to complete a task. Basic social behaviors to teach. Patience. Waiting for your turn. Patience. Example: waiting in line to get a drink from the water fountain. Common social behaviors in different situations. At home, help parents with chores like setting the table. Common social behaviors in different situations. At home, respect family members by not shouting or arguing. Common social behaviors in different situations. At school, share books and stationery with classmates. Common social behaviors in different situations. At school, raise your hand before speaking in class. Common social behaviors in different situations. In public, wait your turn in a queue. Common social behaviors in different situations. In public, speak softly in libraries or hospitals. Examples of social behavior in animals. Ants work together to build their nests. Examples of social behavior in animals. Penguins huddle together to stay warm in the cold. Examples of social behavior in animals. Elephants care for and protect each other in their group.